Hello, my name is Anna and I have a house in Kasalona village in Chonburi, and I have been staying here for more than 15 years, except during COVID, of course, and I have always been so very much helped by Kun Pola, who is just a wonderful person who can help you with just anything. Anything I want to do, she can help me with it. So I have the house. It's close to the beach. It's a private beach. Maybe 40 seconds away from the beach and maybe 5 minutes walk away from the country club with a big pool and a restaurant, and there's a guard at the gate taking care, and they fix everything. The electricity works, the water works, everything works here. So it's my ideal, it's my paradise, and as I say, I come here every year when I come. Why don't you join me?